This podcast is brought to you by PodPro Australia.
What is a signature talk and do you need one? How can it help your online marketing? Let me show you how. Social media, Google, email marketing, systems, website traffic, and the endless content creation that comes with marketing. It's overwhelming, right? Say goodbye to endless stress and hello to clarity with the Meaningful Marketing Podcast. In this podcast, I will share with you fast and free practical methods to help you manage, monetize, and market your business, all infused with a healthy dose of motivation. Let's do this. Welcome to the Meaningful Marketing Podcast. Your host, Chantal Gerardy. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can create a signature talk that can enhance your credibility, showcase your expertise, and open up a heap of new opportunities. We'll cover the importance of a signature talk and help you to develop your own impactful presentation. So what is a signature talk? A signature talk is a well-prepared presentation that highlights your knowledge, skills, and unique insights. It's crucial for establishing your authority in your field and engaging your audience. According to experts, speakers who have a signature talk are more likely to be remembered, trusted, and sought after for additional opportunities, whether or not it's speaking engagements, collaborations, or getting more client leads. Think of a signature talk as your business card in the speaking world. When I first started speaking, my presentations were all over the place, lacking a cohesive message. It felt like I was trying to hit a target blindfolded. Once I developed a few structured and consistent signature talks, it was like having a laser pointer, clear focused and impactful. This not only boosted my confidence, but also significantly increased my speaking engagements and business opportunities. People start to sort me out as an expert in those categories. So here are some key strategies. Firstly, you need to identify your core message. Determine the main idea you want to convey, which should align with your expertise and audience needs. These can also align with your values and passions. Secondly, you need to structure your talk. Create a clear beginning, middle, and end. Start with an engaging introduction, followed by key points, and conclude with a strong closing. Thirdly, include personal stories. People want to hear your personal stories. They want to be able to relate to your message and connect with you. It will help to make your talk more relatable and more memorable. Engage your audience. Remember to use interactive elements like questions, polls, or activities to keep your audience involved. Asking questions throughout and keeping eye contact can certainly help too. Lastly, you want to make sure that you end your talk with a clear and compelling call to action, making sure that you guide your audience on what they need to do next to go further. Depending on where you are presenting your signature talk, you may need to discuss with the organizers on whether or not they will allow hard or soft sell or any sell at all at the end of your presentation. It is important to respect the organizer's wishes when it comes to that. From my experience, I learned that the success of a signature talk lies in its ability to connect with the audience on a personal level. The most impactful talks are those that blend professional expertise and authentic personal stories. This approach not only builds credibility, but also fosters a deeper connection with your audience. It certainly helps you to be more memorable and allows you to become an expert in that particular topic. Here are some strategies. Here are some strategies to nail your signature talk. Make sure that you practice regularly. Rehearse your talk multiple times to ensure a smooth delivery and to refine your timing. There have been many times where I have a signature talk and I've been asked to do it in 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 40 minutes, or 1 hour. So I've had to create additional versions in order to be able to cover the time frame. Feedback. Make sure that you get feedback from trusted peers or mentors and use this as a way to improve your talk. Visual aids. You can use slides or props to enhance your presentation and make complex points easier to understand. Many people are visual, so this might work well. However, be careful that you don't rely on these visual aids and start to read your presentations rather than to perform your presentations. Also, make sure that you determine when you're doing your presentations whether or not they will allow the use of visual aids or not. Adaptability. This is probably one of the most important things that you need to upskill in. You need to be ready to tweak your talk based on the audience. so that you can maintain relevance and engagement. I cannot count how many times I've attended an event where they have told me what I'm going to be talking about and to who. And when I've gotten there, I have clearly recognized that the audience is not who I thought it was or not who they said it was. I had to quickly adapt my presentation so it would be more relevant to the audience in front of me. Now that we've explored how to create a signature talk, it's time for you to go and craft your own. A good way to do this is to consider, what do you absolutely love talking about? What are you passionate about? What can't you stop talking about? What do people know you for? If you had to ask your closest friends or families or colleagues and say to them, what can I not help talk about? They will help you with this. Begin by identifying your core messages and then structuring your talk around it. Remember to make sure that it always feeds back into the core concept of what it is that you're selling. Now, if you implement the strategies we've discussed today and engage your audience, you will start to leave a lasting impact and be memorable online. If you've enjoyed today's podcast, make sure that you like, follow, subscribe, or give us a 5-star rating. If you'd like to share any of your experiences or have any questions, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below or send me a DM on Instagram or Facebook. To recap, we've discussed the importance of signature talks. I have also shared with you some practical steps so that you can develop your own. For more free resources and on this topic, you can visit our website, onlinebusinessmarketing.com.au. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a review if you've enjoyed this episode. Remember, a well-crafted signature talk can open up doors to new opportunities and elevate your professional profile online. Until next time, keep empowering your journey. Chantal Gerardy, Online Business Marketing. This is the Meaningful Marketing Podcast. Thanks for listening in. Meaningful marketing is all about you making your marketing meaningful. If you've enjoyed today's episode, please hit that subscribe button. But subscribing means that you won't miss out on future episodes all about marketing and motivation. Stay inspired, stay focused, and make your marketing meaningful.